Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Veena Nair. We are all gathered here to have a small workshop on Vedic mathematics. I would like to have a participation from you. One-sided information sharing is not acceptable. Can you hear me? Is there any problem in hearing?
No, we are hearing.
Okay, so there's only one request. Other than when you're not talking, kindly mute yourself. And when you want to talk, please raise your hand and talk. Okay, so not having much of an introduction, let's get into the subject. Mathematics is considered as the foundation or the science of all sciences. We everywhere, in right from childhood to everywhere, we require maths. Do you agree with this? How many of you dislike maths? Anybody dislike maths? No? You love maths? Great. So let's continue. This is a little bit of information about the number system and the mathematics that existed in India long time back. Okay, the number system is basically originated from India, and the Indian scholar named Kanka, he was the one who introduced the Indian number system in Arabia around 770 AD, and it was Fibonacci who introduced this in 1200 AD to Europe. He wrote the Liber Abaci in 1201 AD. This introduced the decimal system we use today. This is all for information for you. You need not remember it. Okay? If somebody asks you, you should be able to tell the number system originated in India. This used a base of 10 numerals and place value. Place value, as you must be knowing about unit 10 hundreds or ones, 10 hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. You must be aware of that, the place values. Yes. I assume it to be a yes, and we'll go ahead. So the place value of the digit will decide the value of the number. Example, 3, 4, 5. So what does this mean? We have 5 units or 5 ones, 4 hundreds and 4 tens and 3 hundreds. So that means 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 5 units or ones. 0 is also an invention from India, and Vedic mathematics is also from India. Vedic mathematics has been derived from the Atharva Veda, the glossary or the appendix of Atharva Veda. So let's look at a little bit of the history about the Vedic mathematics. Vedas means knowledge. How many of you are aware of Vedas? What are the different type of Vedas? Anybody knows about this? Yes? Please unmute yourself and speak. Anybody? How many Vedas are there?
4.
4. Which are they? Which are the 4 Vedas? Who said 4? Can you continue with it, please? Which are the 4 Vedas?
Madam, 4 Vedas are there.
That's fine. But
Rigved, Yajurved, Samaved, Atharvana Ved.
Are you an adult?
Madam?
Are you an adult or a child?
No, madam. I am a teacher.
Okay, fine. I wanted to ask the kids because these days not many kids know about the Vedas. That's why. Anyway, so we have the 4 Vedas, and this particular Vedic mathematics has been derived from Atharva Veda. Almost all modern discoveries were already known to the ancient scholars called rishis. We had in the rishis or sages, as we call. They knew about these ancient Indian mathematics. We had an Indian mathematics also. Vedic mathematics is a little different from the conventional system that we follow. Some were directly related to the Vedas, some were taken from the Vedas. Vedic mathematics is supposedly a part of the Staptya Veda and Upaveda of Atharva Veda. It's a glossary. It's found in the. It has been derived by Swamiji Bharati Krishna Tirthaji from the appendix of Atharva Veda. Vedic mathematics is a gift to mankind by one of the greatest scholars India has produced, that is Jagat Guru Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. And Swamiji was the Shankaracharya of Govardhan Mutt, Puri, when he reconstructed the when he reconstructed Vedic mathematics between 1911 to 1918. Could you please mute? Tirthaji described Vedic mathematics using 16 sutras and 13 upasutras. He wrote 16 books on the 16 sutras. However, the 15 volumes have been destroyed, or it is not seen, and the 16 volumes were lost. And the Swamiji, towards the end of his days, he recreated one book which is now available in the market called as Vedic mathematics. Now, why Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is based on how human mind works naturally. It is more enduring to the student or the seeker, and more than that, it also helps to remove math phobia, and it promotes coherent thinking and promotes creativity. It also helps in making our math calculations faster, and we don't need to write long calculations, and it is precise. We can get the answers in one line, and it also helps us to reduce silly mistakes and makes maths more interesting than boring. It also, as I've already mentioned, it increases the speed of calculation 10 to 15 times better. This is also very helpful and beneficial in improving your concentration and sharpens your memory, because this uses a lot of mental calculation. And so this also helps you in fine-tuning your memory. So now we get into the subject. We start with what is called as a 10-point circle. In the 10-point circle, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 10, if we see the number 11 comes in the 1 bar. That is, you have different lines of 1. You have this 2, 3, 4. If you see 4 and 14, the difference is 10. 14 and 24, again it is 10. So this 10-point circle has got a lot of importance in Vedic mathematics, and later we will have something of 9-point circle where we will be discussing about the importance of the number 9. Now let us look at pairs. What is a pair? Which all numbers makes 10? Can anybody tell me, please? Can you tell me combinations of 10?
1 and 9, 2 and 8,
Yes.
6 and 4, 5
Yes.
and 5.
Then did you miss out any number?
3 and 7.
So this we basically call in Vedic mathematics as pairs. Pairs are very important for calculations, especially in addition, and wherever this has a lot of utilization in the calculations we do. The same thing which you told, 1 plus 9 makes 10. Pair of 1 is 9. So when we say 9, we say that the pair of 9 is 1. And the pair of 2 is 8, and vice versa. The pair of 8 is 2. Next, when the same way with 3, 4, and 5. Now let us look at where we can use it. Now here we are going to start with addition. Okay, so the concept that we are going to use is tens. So what are we going to look for tens? For example, let us take the first example 4 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, can somebody tell me the answer? Now I'll tell you how to do it. By looking for tens, what we are doing is that we are looking at combinations, which all numbers makes 10. Here 6 plus 4 makes 10. So 10 plus 3 is 10, 13. Excellent. So now can you solve it the next one? Do you want me to solve or can you solve it the same way? How will we go about this? 8 and 2 makes pair. 7, 3 makes a pair. So the what 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 6 is
26.
right. Now here. Now how will we look at this in the third question? 31 plus 19 plus 23. Look at this.
The units
Yes. 1 plus 9 makes
10.
10. So 31 plus 19, how much it will be? How will you write 31? 31 we can write as 30 plus 1 plus 19 we can write as
10 plus 9.
10 plus 9, right? So this 9 and 1 becomes a pair. So it becomes 10, right? So what is the answer?
50.
Right. Now 50 plus 23, what will be 50 plus 23?
73.
Very good. Now can we use this method and do some practice, please? At the right hand side, you have been given the answer. We have given the question and you can do it on your own. Can we do it?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, please. Once you're finished, you can tell me.
Ma'am, is the first answer 55?
How did you do it? You also have to explain using this.
I used the units and added up, and then
Okay.
I did 20 plus 10 is equals to 30, and 7 plus 3 10. So 30 plus 10 equals 40, and 40 plus 15 equals 55.
Did everybody get 65?
Got down.
So we can write it as 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 plus 15 plus 10 plus 7, right? So what 7 and 3 makes? 7 and 3 makes? 7 and 3 makes?
10.
10, yes. So 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, 40 plus 15 is, did I miss out something? Sorry, it is 55. A bit of problem with my pen, so you'll have to use me. Okay, so now let us see the second question. Are you doing it in your book or something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're doing mental calculation. Great. Okay, what is the second answer? What is
Ma'am,
the
is
second
the
answer?
84.
Second. Yes. What is the third one?
Two, 3, 99.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the answer 99?
What?
Is the answer 99?
Yes. Okay. Next one.
One 120.
Yes. And the next one.
55.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
the technique that we have to use is basically you have to search for tens. Here 3 and 7 makes a 10. And you search for the tens and then the calculations becomes faster. Now let us do some addition. From left to right. Usually we do from right to left, right? Yes or no? How do you do your additions usually?
Downwards.
Please come again. I didn't understand.
Right down. Wait.
Fine. But how do we do? From left to right or from right to left? Usually.
Left to right.
Left to right?
Right to left.
Usually we do it from right to left, right?
Yeah.
3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. Right? We do from right to left in conventional mathematics. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here we will look at how to do from left to
Left to
right. So the technique that you can use is you can use looking for tens. In this, you can apply it and do it from left to right. So let's start. Let's start from the first one. Can you tell me what will be? Let us divide it in like this. Right? Okay, let's start. 5 plus 3?
8.
8 plus 4?
12.
12. 12.
12.
12.
12 plus 3?
15.
Now 8 plus 5?
13.
13.
13. 13 plus 3?
13 plus 3, 15.
16.
16 plus 2?
18.
18.
So in this
18.
18, we write as a subscript because we can't write 18 fully, right? So, and we add this 15 to the 1. We add this 1 to this and make it 168.
168.
Clear? Clear? The same way we have to do this also. Can you see my screen? I hope I have not made it dirty with my marking because my pen, I'm not very comfortable with the pen. Can we continue?
Yes.
Okay, let us see the second problem.
3 plus 2.
7 and 3. 7 and 3 makes a. You have to
10.
use looking for
10.
tens.
7 plus
10.
3 equals 10.
7 and 3 makes 10. 10 plus 2?
10.
12.
12.
12.
10 plus 2? 12. 12 plus
12.
3?
15.
12.
15.
15. Correct. Next. Can we look for tens here?
5, 3,
5.
2, I think so.
Plus
Plus
3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2?
2. 12.
12.
Right, one second. Again, we write it as number as 12. Next. Can we use tens here?
9 and 1.
1 plus
Yes,
1.
9.
10.
9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is?
10.
17.
17.
17 plus 4 is?
21.
21. So we write 2 in the base as subscript and 1. Now what we do is that we do the addition. 1, 2 plus 2, we add this 2 to the previous number. That is, makes it 4. And 1 to 15. So the answer is 1641.
1640.
Right? Now, can we do the second and next two problems? Can you do it on your own and tell me the answer, please?
Okay. So 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is
1 plus 6.
You use look for tens. So 7 plus,
3 equals 10.
yes. 10 plus 4 is
14.
14 plus 1 is
15.
right. Next,
1. 1 plus 9 equals 10.
10 plus
6 equals 16.
268.
16 plus 2,
12 equals 18.
18. Did you understand how it is to be done?
Yes.
Are you finding it interesting?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so let's do the fourth sum. Same way, let's start looking for pairs. Now here we don't have 8 and 2 directly, we don't have, right? But we have 2 ones. 1 plus 8 plus
Plus
1. So that is, so that makes it
10.
10 plus 3,
13.
13 plus 3,
16.
16. Right. Next, again, you start looking for 10.
9 plus 1
10,
10.
right? Yes.
plus 2
9
equals
plus 1,
12.
10. Let's start from top. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4,
14.
14 plus 2,
16.
16 plus 2.
18.
Okay, then the next one. Can we find here tens?
7 plus 3.
9 plus 3
Okay.
equals 10.
10 plus 3 is a 10 and 8 plus 2 is a
10.
10 plus 6. 10 plus 10 plus 6.
26.
Yes?
26.
26. 1 equal 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right? 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Now we add it up. That is 6.
6.
2 plus 8, 10. So now we add one more to this because it is 10. So it becomes 0 and here we add 1. So here it becomes 2 instead of 1.
The screen.
We add this 2 to 16 and it becomes.
1806.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Is it fun? Is it fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, this is another technique. The same way we have used what is called as looking for tens. We were searching for tens in the number and pairing it up and making our addition easy, right? Now, this is another method which is called as by addition and subtraction. So we see this number called as 44 per 9. 9 is close to which number?
10.
And it is less from 10 by how many numbers?
1.
1.
1. So what the technique that we use here is, we do 44
Minus
plus
1.
plus
Oh.
10, and that is we add, right? And then that is equal to 54. Then we do subtraction
54.
minus,
1.
yes, so answer is
53.
3.
understood.
Yes.
Okay, so now the same technique we are applying. 29 is close to which number?
30.
28.
Come again.
30.
Right, 30, and it is short of 30 by how many numbers?
1.
1.
1, right? So what do we do here? 68 plus
Plus 10.
30. 30 is the number, right? 29 is closer to 30. We are not looking at 10. 10 is when we are using 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5, right? So we do 68 plus 30. How much is 68 plus 30?
Plus 98 minus
Now we minus 1
One.
from this and we get,
97.
97.
okay. Now who is going to do the next sum?
50.
Ah, 555 plus, which number will you take?
100.
Yes, 555 plus 100. So what is it?
55.
54. 654.
Yes.
1.
654.
Now can we do the practice problem on your own, please? Can we have the answers? You tell me the method, I'll write down.
66 plus 10. 66 plus 10 and minus 1 equals 76
Hmm.
minus 1
Ah.
is
Is equal to?
75.
Very good. Next one. Okay, I think I can call out. Shan, you can tell the answer.
74. 74.
Ah,
73.
Equals 74 minus 1.
okay. Next one. Next number. Next, which will we take? What is the base that will take? Which number is it close to?
40.
40.
So we'll take it as 83 plus
40.
40. What is it?
123.
123 minus
1.
is equal to?
120.
122.
Very good. Next one.
234
Plus 100.
minus 1.
What is 234 plus 100?
334.
Minus 1.
333.
Okay, next. That looks like a big number, right?
Yeah. It's 1234.
1234
Minus.
1.
1233.
Okay, now let me give you a number. 328 plus, let's say it is 197. What will you?
Okay. Should we go near the tens?
Not the tens. See, what is the number? What is the
One.
number?
197.
Ah,
Seven.
so it is closer to
200.
200. So how will we write 328
Minus
Plus-
plus
plus first is
200.
addition
200.
minus.
3.
So what is 328
3.
plus 200? 528 minus
3.
3.
what is it?
525.
Did you understand this technique?
Yes.
Are you noting down in your notebook or are you just looking at the screen and answering?
I'm just looking at the screen.
Why? You don't want to learn this method? You already know this method?
Yeah, kind of.
You, Zahra and Ajwa, both of you?
I don't know, but
But have you applied this technique before?
I know. I try others.
Okay, next time when you have your maths problem in your class or something, will you use this technique, but don't tell anybody that you have used this,
It's a secret technique.
isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to use the same, something similar to this in our subtraction. Today we will be looking at only addition and subtraction, and tomorrow we will be looking at different techniques of multiplication. Right? The same way. What do you mean by a base? 10,
Near a number.
20, 30,
30,
and 100, 200.
300, 400, 500.
Yes, these are called as bases,
Like 10.
right? So it's using the same technique. In addition, in subtraction, what we do is that this is 19. 19 is close to which number?
20.
20. So when we are doing subtraction, we will first subtract and then add. Did you understand?
Like 20 minus.
I'll tell you, 1 second. 81 minus, we will subtract 20 instead of 19. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the answer?
61.
Okay. Now 19 is less than 20 by how many numbers?
1.
1.
Okay.
We add 1.
So we add 1 second. That is equal to,
2.
are you clear? So in subtraction, what do we do is that we first
It's like the
subtract and then add. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, now let us look at the second problem, 60 minus 38. How will we be doing this?
The
60 minus 40
minus
Yes.
40
Yes.
equals 20.
Okay.
plus
20.
2.
22.
Are you clear with this method? In
Yes.
addition, what we do is that,
And ma'am, Zahara didn't get.
Subtract.
yes, in subtraction, we do subtraction first and then,
And then add.
are you clear? The technique, difference in technique?
She's
Okay.
not.
Huh?
Ma'am, she's not clear.
You're not clear?
Zahara is not clear.
Okay. Let us take a number. 32 minus 9. Right? 9 is close to which number?
10.
So in subtraction, what we do is that first we subtract the base number. This we have taken 9 is closer to 10. We have taken 10 as a base number, right? So first 32 minus 10, 10 is 32 minus 10.
22.
Yes. Now if you see 10 is more than 9 by 1. 10 is equal to 9 plus 1, right?
Yes.
But we have subtracted more from 32. We have subtracted 10, whereas we need to do only 9. Right?
Yes.
So we need to give that extra 1. This 1 has to be given back to this answer, right? So we put 22 plus 1, that is equal to. Are you clear now? Whichever is the biggest base, we reduce the base first and then add the whatever is the balance, we add it to it. When we do more problems, you will understand. Let us see the next number, 777 minus 99. Which number is 99 close to?
100.
100.
So 777 minus 100.
100.
What is the number?
677.
677.
Okay. Now we need to add.
1.
1.
So answer is
676. Oh.
70. Add. So what is the number?
678.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we do some practice?
Okay.
I can, some children are not participating at all. Avni, Anna, Arun, Bhavishya, are these kids? Vijay Lakshmi?
Yes.
Adi Lakshmi. Yes. Please participate, my dears. Isn't this fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you not participating? Are you not understanding any issues? Yes. Kindly participate. You will enjoy it.
30.
Okay, let's do the first problem. 44 minus 9. How will we do? 9 is closer to
10.
10.
10. Okay. So we first what we do is that 44 minus
10.
10. That is equal to 34. Then what we do?
34 plus 1.
Plus 1. 35.
Okay. Now next question. 83 minus which number is it close to?
20.
20.
Okay. So 83 minus 20. How much is 83 minus 20?
63.
63. Now we add 1 to it and makes it
64.
next number. You tell me what is the step that is to be followed and I'll write. Tell me.
29 is close to 30.
Yes.
And then
Fine.
50
Minus 30.
minus 30.
That is equal to?
21.
Okay. Then
21 plus 1. 22.
very good. Next one.
567 minus 99. 99 is close to 100.
Okay.
So 167 minus 100 equals 467.
Yes.
Plus 1 equals 468.
Okay. Next.
298 is close to 300.
Yes.
531 minus 300 equals to 231. 231 plus 2 equals 233.
Are you all clear?
Yes.
Did you find it interesting? So next time you find subtraction in your school work, use these techniques.
Okay.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. Now, now we are going to look at another method of subtraction called as below base method. 78 is a number which is close to which number?
79.
99. Base is a number which ends with 0. So if 78 will be closer to, you can say 80. Also 100. If you are taking a complete value, you can take it as 100, right? Okay, so how do we solve this problem? First, we do 346 minus, take 80 as a base. Okay, we will do 100 later. First, we take 80. So what is 346 minus 80? We write like this, 346 minus 80. Now we divide, cut it to portion. 6 minus 0 is?
6.
And 34 minus 8 is?
4.
26.
Okay. Instead, if we want to use the subtraction method,
Hmm.
34 minus 8, again, you can do it as 34 minus 10. That is?
That is equals to 24.
Now, since 8 is 2 less than 10, we add 2 to it. So that makes it?
2.
That makes it 26. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now let's take this number, 851. Now 399 is closer to which base?
400.
Okay, so what is the answer?
451.
Okay, now there is one more step, that is add 1 to it, 452.
52.
Are you clear with this method?
Yeah.
Shan? Shan, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Each one.
So want to say something?
No.
Okay, so let's do the practice. 174 minus 69. Which is 69 closer to?
80.
80 or?
20.
What is 17 minus 7? 17 minus 7?
10.
10.
Now we add 1 to this. So the answer is
105.
105. Okay, now next one, can you tell me how to do it? I'll write down.
78 is close to 80.
Okay,
So 425 minus 80 equals
yes. 42 minus 8, use the same technique. Using tens. 42 minus 10. 42 minus 10.
Equals 32 plus
32 plus 32 plus 2.
34.
34.
Now we have 2 to add, right? 78 is less than 80 by 2. So 345 plus 2 is equal to 307.
37.
Okay. Now can you please take a piece of paper and write down this and tell me what is the answer?
Piece of
I've done a little bit for you. I've already given you the clue. Shan, you have done the answer?
Almost.
Yes.
Plus 4
You got the answer?
plus
Got the answer? Don't do mental calculation as of now. Try to do with the paper and pen. And after that, as we go ahead, you will automatically start doing mental calculation.
458 is
and
either രണ്ടെണ്ണം മാത്രം
Then did you miss out something?
459
8 plus
1.
that is answer is
459.
very good. Now next one, next sum.
ഇതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് this.
മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലേ? മോൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലേ? Huh?
Yes.
You're able to understand?
Which one?
Huh? I'm doing this fourth problem. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
You can see my screen? We are doing this fourth problem, 706 minus 88. So which is the closest base number we'll take?
90.
90. Okay, so what is the answer?
600. 600 and
is the
Break it like this.
end. The answer
616. Now we need to, okay, 88 is short of 90 by how many numbers?
2.
two.
So the answer is
618.
right. Now let's do the fifth problem. 342 minus
140.
and then
243.
did you understand the concept? When you get to subtract numbers, you see the closest number you can use and this number from which you are subtracting, see which number it is closest to base, and then reduce that number and then add whatever is less to that number, to the answer. Are you clear? Yes?
Yes.
Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to use a concept called as all from 9, last from 10. This is also called as, this is a sutra called as Nikhilam Navatas Charamam Dashaha. This is a sutra. You need not remember it. It's in Sanskrit. Okay. But the meaning of this is this. All from 9, last from 10. So let us look at the first number, 876. Which is this number closer to? We are looking at 1000. Okay. 876 is close to 1000. So we apply this sutra on 876. So what we do is that 876, we apply the sutra called as 10, 9, 9. Now 10 minus 6,
4.
10 minus 6,
4.
4, 9 minus 7,
2.
9 minus 8.
1.
Okay. This particular number called 124 is called as the Nikhilam. What do you say?
Nikhilam.
Okay. Now can we find out the Nikhilam of 3883? Which is the number we will be considering? You
4.
apply this. You apply the same. You apply the same technique. That is 3, 8, 8, 3. All from 9. The last from 10. Right? 10 minus 3.
7.
7.
9 minus 8.
1.
9 minus 8.
1.
9 minus 3.
6.
2.
100,
6.
117.
Yes. Now, can we do the Nikhilam of 64? Can you tell me the answer? Can you do it mentally? All from 9, last from 10. The last number from 10 and the all except numbers from 9. Tell me.
36.
What is it? Come again.
36.
Yes, very good. Okay, so let's do the practice then. Now, here is a catch. Whenever we see 0, we apply this rule from the last last number before 0. So we apply Nikhilam, this all from 9, 9 from 2 to 357. Did you understand?
And then at the last we add 0.
That is, 1 second. We write 0 and apply this rule. All from 9, 9 from 10. 10 minus 7,
6.
3. 9 minus 5,
4.
9 minus 3.
6.
So the answer is 6430. Okay. And next one again. You have to be careful about 0. You should be very, very conscious about 0. If there is a 0, you should start applying the 10. 10 minus only from the previous number to 0. What will be the answer?
80.
80.
Here? 9 minus 0? 9 minus 9?
0.
0.
Very good. Understood? Okay, can we have the next answer? You tell me, I'll write down.
0. That's actually a big number.
What?
That's a big number.
10 minus 6.
Yeah.
4.
Okay.
9 minus 5. 4.
Okay.
9 minus 4. 5.
Okay.
9 minus 3 equals to 6.
Okay.
9 minus 2 equals 7.
Yes.
9 minus 1 equals 8.
8.
Okay. This number is called as Nikhilam. Will you remember tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do the next number. 3300. Again, be wary of zeros.
7.
7. 6.
6.
Very good. Did you
6,000.
understand the concept?
6,700.
6,700.
ma'am.
This has got, Nikhilam has got its application in multiplication, division, and it is used everywhere. But first you should understand all from 9 and we should know how to calculate the Nikhilam. Fine? Okay. Now more sums. The same way we do 100 minus 86. In the right, the same rule we are applying. How much is 100 minus 86? Apply all from 9, last from 10. Yes, tell me. 10 minus 6?
4.
9 minus 8?
1.
1.
So 100 minus 86 is?
14.
Okay, 14. Now let us do this. Apply this. 10 minus 7?
3.
Yes. 9 minus 0?
9.
9 minus 3?
6.
693. Okay, next one.
10 minus 3, 7.
Yes.
9 minus 2, 7.
Yes.
9 minus 4.
Yes.
9 minus 6, 3.
Now can we go to the practice problems?
Okay.
Okay. Are you noting down or are you just doing it mentally?
Noting.
Mentally.
Okay. 1000 minus 481.
10
Apply
minus
last, all from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 1?
9.
Okay.
9 minus 8, 1.
Okay.
And 5.
5.
519.
Yes. Next one.
10 minus 8, 2.
Hmm.
9 minus 7, 2.
22.
Okay. Next one.
10
3.
minus 7, 3.
3,
2.
2,
1.
1.
1.
Very good. Next one.
4.
4.
4,
2.
2.
0.
0.
Next one.
7.
0.
0. 0. 7.
Ah.
3.
3.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what all did we study till now? Let's have a recap. What all did we study till now?
All from 9 last to 10.
All from 9, last from 10. Okay. Then
Then below the base.
yes. So let's
Yeah.
start from addition. Addition, what did we do? First, we look for,
10.
This.
we look for,
The nearest 10
Two
yes, tens.
numbers.
Then we did addition from,
with the tens. And then
yes, with the tens from, we did from left to right.
Yeah.
Right?
To right, like
Left to right. We usually do from right to left, right? Instead, we did left to right. Okay. Then what did we do in subtraction?
in subtraction.
we first did the second number, and we did all from 9 last to 10. And then that was and then the answer was like
We did below base. So in addition, what did we do? First, we
looked for 10.
Look for 10. After that, we applied one more method, right? We added the number to the base and then we reduced them when subtracted the extra numbers that were there, right?
Yeah.
You forgot? Okay, let's practice. 1 second. How do we do? Addition?
30, 30.
And then what do we do? Minus?
130 minus 2. 328.
Then we use this method in subtraction also, right?
Yeah. 300.
32 minus 9. How did we do it?
Check
First
the
we-
next number.
First, what was the first operation we did? 32 minus?
Minus 10.
Yes. And then we added the deficiency. The 9 is deficient from 10 by 1. So we added that deficiency to it and we got this. Please don't forget the techniques, okay? So whenever you get a question, you have a variety of techniques. You can choose which technique you want to use as per your convenience. Okay, then we also learned today odd from 9, last from 10. Now next we are going to do one more. So in this technique, let us take the first number. So in this, what we do is that we apply odd from 9 and last from 10 to the last 3 digits. See, what do we mean by 8,000? We have 8 thousands and we have 4,000 plus 222. So it is almost like we have 5,000. 4,222, you can write it as approximately 5,000. Okay, so what do we do is that we apply odd from 9, last from 10. So 10 minus 2 is
8.
8. 9 minus 2 is
7.
7.
9 minus 2 is
7.
okay. Now here we have to use a trick. What do we do is that 8 minus 4 is
4.
4. We reduce 1 from this 4 to make it
3.
3, 7, 7, 8. Are you did you understand the technique? Apply all from 9 and last from 10 to the zeros numbers
Yes, ma'am.
here and reduce. So answer is 3, 7, 7, 8. Now can we do the second one? Can we attempt it yourself? Same thing. 10 minus 4?
6.
9 minus 3?
6.
9 minus 2?
7.
7.
5 minus 1?
8.
5 minus 1?
5 minus 1, 4.
4. Now from 4 we have to reduce 1 more. So it becomes,
3.
3.
are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us do some practice problems. Okay, let's apply this. We'll apply. Tell me the answer.
10 minus 4, 6.
Yes,
9 minus 0, 9.
yes.
9 minus 5 equals to 4.
Ah,
And 8 minus 3 equals to 5.
5.
Minus 1 equals to 4.
very good. Next one.
10 minus 2 equals to 8.
Okay,
10 minus 3 equals to 6.
okay.
3 minus 1 equals to 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1.
Shan, can you answer the third question?
Ugh.
Did you understand the problem? Why did you switch off your video? Shan? You're there? Okay, let's continue. Yes, Zahra, continue. Next question. 10 minus 2?
10 minus.
Let's write like this. These are zeros. So we apply all from 9. Last from 10. So, okay, what is 10 minus 2?
10 8.
Very good. 9 minus 3?
6.
Don't tell
Six.
answers. Let her calculate it herself.
Okay, ma'am.
9 minus 3?
6.
Okay. And 7 minus 2?
7 to 5.
Yes. And what is the rule? You have to reduce 1 from the answer. That is 5 minus 1 is
4.
468. Okay. Now let us do the next question. Zara, you tell me the answer.
200.
10 minus 4?
minus 4.
10 minus 4?
6. 6.
9 minus 4?
5.
9 minus 4?
5.
2 minus 1?
1.
1 minus 1?
0.
So the answer is 500 and okay, next one. That's a big number.
One. 10 minus 1 and 9. 7.
9 minus 3?
6.
Okay. 9 minus 3?
6.
9 minus 3?
6.
6 minus 2?
3.
6 minus 2?
4.
4 minus 1?
4. 3.
So the answer is 36,669. Are you clear?
Yes.
Did you understand this method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that ends today's workshop. Okay. So can somebody summarize what all did you learn today?
We learned pairs and addition left to right, and like addition and subtraction. Like first add and then subtract, and then subtract and add, and then near the base and below the base, and then odd from 9 and last from 10, and one more.
What was the last one? Where we use the technique of all from 9 and last from 10, right? With big numbers, how do we do? Right? Did you like the class? Did you find the topics interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow we will do multiplication. That will make it more interesting for you.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
see you all. Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.